I'm gonna start a new one. Oh wow, it's clearly
Hello,
third.
it
It's
is
clearly
me,
30, 30, 18.
Super Critical. It is
It's
totally
30,
a
30,
different day.
18.
It's totally a different
See,
day.
I
I'm
wish I
not
could
in the
see at the
same
bottom of
place
my
I
computer screen.
was
It says 10 slash
5
11
seconds ago.
slash 20
I mean a day
87.
ago. This is totally a different
Oh
episode.
yeah, yeah. I
This
totally,
is totally
totally,
a different episode.
totally wasn't in
It's
my enter spot when I
it's
started the
10
thing.
12.
Totally.
It's 10 12 22 right now. It's 10 12 22. It's not 10 11
It's
22. It's
actually
10
it's
12.
actually 10, 11, 20, 88.
Yeah, it's 2088.
I don't know how
Sorry, I
I'm
get
so
my
young,
dates
but
mixed up.
I don't know how I'm so young, but I mean, I don't know.
I find a bunch of ores and I'm like, what is that? And I mine it. It could be anything from plastic explosive to simply the most common ore in all of Minecraft. Did you say bauxite? I found bauxite, right?
Perfect. I hope you'll box up my crafting tables. We just have a few, if you're wondering.
Yeah, we only have a few.
Yeah, got right. YouTube can back me up. Only a few. He has no idea.
Silver!
Snilver?
Found better wiring. Yeah.
I'm dying, but Snilver. What is coal coke used for still?
Again, I don't know.
What is coal coke? I'm looking it up on Google. Coal.
Ryder, you might find
Coke.
something else.
Oh my god, it's an actual thing.
Yeah, I know it's an actual thing. Ryder, electrodynamics and nuclear science are made to be as realistic as possible.
It's off-brand Coca-Cola.
Yeah, but like, what is coal coke?
It's off-brand Coca-Cola.
Okay.
It's like the Russian version of it.
Oh. Wait, is it actually?
Yeah. That's pretty funny.
Like, I can't use it for anything.
Okay, I don't know either, but I bet it's you know, something where we can't say.
What is this stuff? What did I just mine? Magnetite. More magnetite. Wait,
But
what?
yeah, I bet
Wait,
that
so
cola coke is
this is
something we can't
magnetite
say.
ore. And that's a skeleton. That's a skeleton.
Very rare. Skeletonies.
No. Ow.
I have a shield, except I never use it. Block breaking. Block broken. Block breaking. Block breaking. Block broken. Block breaking. Grass broken.
There we go. It's dead.
I mined a leaf, not grass, but it said grass broken.
There's a separate cave part that I haven't lit yet. There's also a creeper in here. There's a lot of ores in these mods. So we have a lot of mods installed. So there's gonna be like
Yeah.
a lot of ores everywhere.
Do you know what else we have a lot of?
Huh.
Not crafting tables.
Yeah, definitely.
We
not
need
crafting
more
tables.
storage.
I'm not gonna mine the other copper
That's
because
what
it's
we
just
need.
regular copper.
Yeah, guys, we only have, you know, 8
I know.
crafting tables.
I don't know what magnetite's used for, so I'm just gonna collect a lot of it because I think it might be important. I don't know. It could be. I don't know.
So
I'm not sure.
how do I make stone bricks? I'm gonna
You know what,
work
actually,
on.
I'm gonna search
gonna,
up what
you know,
magnetite is used in after I mine all this
gonna-
bauxite and magnetite.
You should come back to base and see my beautiful masterpiece of not crafting tables, of stone bricks.
Yeah, that's definitely stone brick.
Actually, it is stone bricks.
Ah.
Right, YouTube. That's the wrong bed. www. www. No, I don't want to get, kicked for spamming again.
WWE.
You know what? This is how I'm not
Ah,
gonna get kicked for spamming. Now I'll wait a few seconds.
and more W's.
Hold up,
Oops.
this is how I have to do it so it doesn't kick me.
Oh, ah.
W. Oh,
Mm.
I did it too
Yeah,
much
he
again.
definitely left the game.
Oops, kicked for spamming.
Yeah, it says you left the game, but you definitely didn't leave. You got kicked.
It's gonna ban me. That'd be really funny.
You know, if you're not careful, it might actually ban you from the server.
I know that's gonna be kind of funny, but at the same time, that's not very funny. Okay, how many times is it gonna give me a mysterious document? It's
Every
like
time
my
you, I'm pretty sure
31.
every time you die or like log in, it gives you a mysterious document.
I have too many of those.
What is this? Lead? No, it's not. It's an ore I haven't collected yet. Let's see. So I got potassium chloride. I got bauxite ore, and I got tough. I don't think tough. Chromium. Oh, I found chromium.
I'm not using, crafting tables as building blocks. Who would do that?
Yeah, what crazy madman would do that?
I'm not going down in the very scary dark abyss of dark abysses with
Ah,
crafting tables. I don't want to go down there. There's a speed demon creeper.
speed demon.
Yeah, I don't want
Alright,
to
so
die to
I'm
that
gonna search
thing.
up
It's
what
like going
magnetite is used
50
in.
miles an hour.
Magnetite ore. So what is magnetite
Magna
ore?
nut.
So you can smelt this into magnet ingots, and this is used in bubble jet modules, in magnetite armor,
Ooh!
magnetite. Oh, it's used in a lot of things.
I
Only
want
dev.
that Magnanite armor.
So only dev plasma to neon converter. What?
I want that,
Uh.
plaques. I want that
Oh,
Magnetite
you can make plasma
flarmer.
lamps with this.
Ooh. Ooh.
I don't.
Eh,
Oh.
our base is already beautiful enough.
Yeah, but you can make plasma lamps with that. More plasma lamps. More plasma lamps. Yeah, the rest of the magnetite armor set. Well, actually, how good is the magnetite armor? Not that good.
Is it better than these leaves?
It's better than the leaf armor. I can
I,
tell you that
I
much.
find more radio things
Wait, hold on.
from Create.
I'm pretty sure it's like hash or at like armor. Nope. Okay, I guess it's like hashtag armor or something. Right? Like hashtag armor.
Leaf.
Armor. Yeah, here we go. So all of
More
the armor
tin.
is so let's look at diamond armor real quick. So diamond armor. Oh. Um. Ritter.
Yeah,
Magnetite armor is about as good as diamond. Never mind.
I
Or
th-
is a little. Wait, hold on. Let's see. What is am? Oh. Ritter.
yeah.
Magnetite armor is an alternative to iron armor.
Oh, well, I think we should craft it.
Yeah, let's craft some magnetite armor. I mean, we might be. I mean, all of our iron swords might be stuck to us, but it's fine.
Yeah.
Cause I have a lot of magnetite too. I have how much magnetite? I have 20. Uh, well, I don't think it's
Enough
enough to
for
make
one set.
two. Yeah, I think it's enough for one
We'll
set, but
we'll
it's still
split it.
more than I have iron.
We'll split it.
Yeah. How much iron do I have
Ow!
on me? I have. Oh, no, that's bauxite. How much iron do I have on me? 14 iron. Not today, thank you. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can collect a little bit more iron so we can both have sets of equal
Uh,
armor.
thank you, Creeper.
Copper or... Oh! Wait. Huh. So, guess what?
What?
So, what's it called? Future Pack Copper gives the same kind of copper as vanilla copper.
Yeah, I believe that's the thing with a lot of stuff. Oh, I found a mine
I guess
shaft.
like for mods, I guess for older mods that updated to like the 1.18, they kind of like switched it so that
Uh,
it wouldn't give the old like their copper, it would give them vanilla copper, but they still keep the ore.
zombie.
I need to get this. What can I throw out? Gravel. Sulfur. I got sulfur. Can I make explosive with this? Wait. Sulfur.
Ow.
Sulfur dust can be used to make gunpowder. Ooh.
What?
Sulfur dust can be used to make gunpowder.
Uh,
With
I've